Mr. G here, and we're going to go over some thumb exercises for fingerstyling. Now, if you want to learn how to play fingerstyle music, you got to really practice with all your different fingers for your picking hand. And in this exercise, let's just go over using your thumb and try to hit all those notes up and down the strings with your thumb. Now, I'm going to be using a little lick on the E blues scale. So what we'll do is we'll play that opening in a 6th string with our thumb. Then we'll hammer on with a ring finger on the 3rd fret. Then on the 5th string, we'll just kind of play that open. And we'll hammer on the 1st and 2nd frets with our index and middle finger. So we'll play that open D note on the 4th string, pick it with your thumb. Then we'll play that E note. Use your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string and pick that with your thumb. So far it's like this. Got that? Then we'll pick that 3rd string, that open G with our thumb. We'll pick it again, but we'll put our middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Then we'll slide it up and play strings 2 and 3. What we'll do is we'll pick with our thumb and we'll put our middle finger on the 4th fret 3rd string and our index finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string and play those together. So we'll pick those first 2 notes. We'll slide up, we'll hit that slide too. Then we'll play those other notes. So like this. Then we'll pick that 3rd string again. Then we'll place our middle finger on the 2nd and 3rd strings on the 2nd fret. We'll pick it with our thumb, both those. We'll slide up to the 3rd fret and pluck it again with your thumb. Slide back down again, pluck with your thumb. Hit that open G note on the 3rd string. Hit that A note, which is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret with your middle finger. Hit that open G note again on the 3rd string. And then end it here, up here in the 7th and 6th frets. Take your middle finger and your ring finger and place your middle finger on the 7th fret, 5th string. Place your ring finger on the 7th fret, 3rd string, and place your index finger on the 6th fret, 4th string, and play those with your thumb. And then end it here with your pinky on the 2nd string, 8th fret. So when you put it all together, it's like this. Again, that's just a cool exercise to work on your strumming with your thumb. Hey, if you're going to learn fingerstyle, remember to practice all the different fingers, practice different exercises. And again, that's a great exercise for your thumb. Keep on jamming.